Adding a debit card to your Toptal account is a straightforward process that allows you to manage payments easily. Follow these steps to complete the process. Step 1. Log into your Toptal account. Visit the Toptal website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account where you want to add the debit card. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Once logged in, look for the payment settings or billing section in your account dashboard. This is typically found in your profile or account settings. Step 3. Select Add Payment Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter debit card information. Fill in the required fields with your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. Double-check the information for accuracy before proceeding. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your debit card information, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to save your changes and successfully add the debit card to your Toptal account. Now you are all set. You can use your debit card for transactions on Toptal. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Toptal support for assistance.